In this video, we will share with you how to perform a factory reset on your Samsung phone step by step. Note: available screens and settings may vary by wireless service provider, software version, and phone model. Before you perform a factory reset, be sure to back up your personal data so you don't lose it all. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone, and then scroll down to tap the General Management option. Swipe to tap the Reset option. Scroll down to tap the Factory Data Reset option. Then you can review the information one by one. When you're ready, swipe to tap the Reset option. If you have a security lock set, you will be asked to enter the credentials. To continue with the reset and delete all information stored on your phone or tablet, tap Delete All. From there, you will be required to enter your Samsung account's password if you have added a Samsung account. Your device will reset. When it turns back on, it will start from the initial setup screen.